Hi, I want to give you a quick tip that can help your hearing aids perform much better for you. Hearing aids are in your ear canal and are exposed to earwax. I'm sure that when you take out your hearing aids, every once in a while you see some earwax on the end of your dome. Did you know that underneath that dome is a filter that protects and collects earwax that gets in there on a daily basis? You want to clean this filter out periodically. We do it usually every 3 months for you, but just in case you need to do it on your own, this is something that you can easily do. Here's how you do it. First, you take the hearing aid out of your ear. Next, you get your filter changing kit. The next step is taking the dome off of the hearing aid. So this dome right here that goes in your ear, you just take that off like so. So you just use your nail and pull that off. Underneath that dome, you'll see that there's a filter, that little white piece. So we're going to replace that white piece. To do that, you're going to use your filter changing kit. To open it up, you just go in opposite directions and you'll see a variety of sticks. These are your wax sticks. The cerumen sticks will have a replacement on the end and it'll have an open portion on the other side. What you'll do is use the open portion to actually put that into the filter directly in, like so, if I can see it, and you simply pull that out. Okay, so that's removed. So then the next thing is flipping the stick around to the replacement filter, and that will go directly into that opening right there. So it just goes right straight in like so. You'll put the next step, and the most important step is putting your dome back on. Of course, check it, make sure it's nice and clean. But what you'll do is line that round piece up with this piece. You'll notice that there are two levels on the speaker. You want to make sure you get it to this portion right here, that square portion. So to do this, you just push it in like so. And what I want you to do is invert it and see if there's a space in between that square. If there's a space, that's not on, and this dome will come out in your ear, and we don't want that. You would have to come in and we'd have to remove it. So you just make sure that you press it again and get it all the way flush against that square piece of the speaker. As I invert it, I look at that, and you can see that you can no longer see a space in between there. This is put on properly. If you do this maybe once a month, that should help. Essentially, whenever you feel like your hearing is muffled, that's the first troubleshooting step that I would recommend. If you have any questions, or if you need some of these filter kits, let us know. You can call us at 816-233-0022, and we would be happy to get them for you. Thanks, and let me know if you have any questions.